Test, test, test. All right, here's a quick little recap of this trade I took today to secure a winning day and finally break the 4 out of 5 curse and secure a payout across 4 accounts. Let's freaking go. It was originally a 1-to-1, but I just trailed my stop loss, which is why it's a 1-to-3. But I'll go over the trade I took, why I took it, and yeah, gonna get right into it. Oh, this is a nice little P obsession trade we're getting. I'm already locked out of my account, so I'm not taking this, just forward testing this really clean 1 hour continuation, but whatever, that's not the point. Gonna go over the trade I took today. And yeah, this is what it looked like originally until I trailed my TP a little closer. But yeah, you can see my screen, right? All right. Starting on the higher time frame, we were in a range pre-market. Let me just start new. We were in this range pre-market. Obviously, no clear direction when we're trading in a range like this. We had London high right here, but we had a SMT at it, so I wasn't targeting that. If you go on the 4 hour to the upside, I had this untapped 4 hour gap marked out, and then this 4 hour swing low, and this little low right here. What I like to do when we're in a range is just mark out draws to both sides, and then just wait for either like a breakout to the upside and then long it, or vice versa, breakout to the downside and short it. And all I'm going to show you is literally the next hourly candle because that's how simple this trade I took today was. So I just let price play out, follow my rules, wait for a breakout of the range, confirming the direction. We get a breakout to the downside. So after this, let me just get rid of ES. After getting this breakout, wait, make sure you guys can see everything. Yep. Ooh. After getting this breakout of the range to the downside, you could obviously say, I can't talk. After getting this breakout to the range, oh my gosh, bro, lock in. After getting a breakout of the range to the downside, you could obviously say we're going to deliver to these draws lower. I just had this one marked, but we also have all these. I don't like targeting like the last draw or just random ones in between. If there's multiple, I just target the first one if I can. So this is the draw I was targeting. We get a breakout to the downside. After this, my trade idea or like direction on the day is already confirmed. So I'm just going to base my trade off of this hourly candle. Take profit at the draw. Stop loss at the top of the displacement of the confirmation candle. Set a limit for a 1-to-1. That's what it looks like on the hourly. If you go on the 5 minute, you get tagged in, bang, immediate bearish reaction. And yeah, all I needed is a winning day. If you trade prop firms, you know you need just 150 days, 200 days for a payout. I already have my buffer built, a good balance built, so I just needed a day of 150, 1 micro. This is 300 risk. So if my winning day is only for 150, no reason to hold for full TP. So after we get this original like confirmation, like we get tagged in and we get a very nice bearish reaction, I trail my stop loss to the top of this retracement because we shouldn't go back up, and I take profit. It was like around here, 75 points for 150 for a winning day, and it gets smacked. Almost got break even, and then TP was hit. This is a trade I would take with size 100%. This is a really clean trade, and I would have held, obviously, if it was an actual trade with size to the actual TP down here, and this also played out, but I was just going for a winning day, so no reason to be greedy and try to go for full TP when all I need is 150 just to secure the payout. So W day payout secured. Gonna go back to risking heavy and trying to build up the buffer on A+ setups. Whatever happens, happens. I actually don't know if I'm gonna get moved to live after this payout because this is gonna be my 5th payout across these accounts. So I don't know how it works, if I just get moved to live after my 5th one or what. But I don't know, we'll have to see. Might have to just blow them on purpose so I don't go to live, but at the same time, it would be kind of cool to have a live account for credibility, and the show would low-key be aura, having a live account with Top Step. So yeah, that's the trade I took. Peace.